Is your garbage disposal not working properly? Well, here's a few things to try before calling a plumber. Hopefully save you some money.
The first steps are to turn off the power. Then check for a jammed object with a flashlight and broom handle. Then go ahead and press the reset button underneath, and then check your home circuit breaker. See if you even have power to it. You may need to use an Allen wrench to manually dislodge obstructions.
So after going through all those steps and trying to turn the power on and still nothing happens, more than likely the disposal's shot, it's probably old, and more than likely needs to be replaced. So if that's the case, go ahead and give us a call and we'll come out and help you out.